Greetings, all of you. Today we are going to look at a new chapter, which is differentiation, and we are going to get a formula we use if we want to differentiate a function from first principle. In other words, the derivative of a function. Now let us let y equal to f of x to be a continuous function. Then the value of y depends on the values of x. This implies that any change in x will cause a change in y. Now, assuming y increases from y to y plus delta y, where delta y is a small increase in y, or a small change in y, that means that x also increased to x plus delta x. Therefore, for y equal to f of x, y plus delta y will be equal to f of x plus delta x. Delta x, delta y, these are the corresponding, or these are the increment in y and the increment in x. So, if I call this one 1 and this one 2, I'm going to subtract 1 from 2. So if I do that, y plus delta y minus y, I will remain with delta y. And here I will have f of x plus delta x, then minus f of x. Now next, I'm going to divide both sides with delta x. So I get delta y over delta x equaling to f of x plus delta x minus f of x upon delta x. So let me create some space here. So next I'm going to find the limit as delta x tends to 0 on both sides. dy x will be equal to the limit delta x tends to 0 for f of x plus delta x minus f of x upon delta x. Now, if this limit exists, this is what we call the derivative of y with respect to x, i.e. limit delta x tends to 0 for delta y delta x is equal to the derivative of y with respect to x. We can therefore say that dy dx is equal to the limit as delta x, the increment in x tends to 0. So this is f of x plus delta x minus f of x upon delta x. So always remember this formula. So the definition of differentiation of a function, I will say that dy dx is equal to the limit delta x tends to 0 f of x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x. We can as well write the derivative of a function as the limit as h tends to 0, so f of x plus h minus f of x, still h represents a smaller increase in x. Hope you have understood the definition of a derivative of a function.